So welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Rakhi Singh and once again I am back with new amazing huge haul video and everything I bought from Myntra. So it's a Myntra haul video after really long time. I bought some really amazing things like t-shirts, joggers, this kurti which I'm wearing right now. So there are many other things and at very super affordable prices. So I really hope you guys are going to like this video, and if you do, you already know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe. I don't know मेरे 1 lakh कब होंगे. I've been waiting like anything. You do your job because I'm already doing mine. Anyway, do let me know in the comment section whichever product you like the most, and also help me to film my next video. So whatever you want to watch on my channel, comment. And now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So starting with the first top, which is this fluorescent green boxy fit solid round neck crop t-shirt. This is from the brand Sassafras and it's a very beautiful t-shirt, very nice. The fabric quality is really great. You can definitely go for this one. Super duper affordable and looks really uber cool. It comes with the short sleeves, round neck, and it's a loose fitted type of a crop t-shirt. So you can definitely style it with your jeans, with your trousers, with your joggers, and with your skirt as well, I mean. And yeah, that's it. Now coming to the next product, which is this black solid joggers. This comes with elasticated waistband, 2 side pockets. The fabric is polyester and it's very comfortable, very nice. You can also see the neon piping on the sides, which actually highlight this jogger more. This looks really pretty. You can definitely style these type of joggers with your sweatshirts, with your t-shirts, with your tops, and even you can use these type of joggers for your gym wear as well. So again, this is a really nice fabric, really nice jogger, and super duper affordable. Next thing is this pink printed loose fitted round neck t-shirt. This one is from the brand Dillinger and this comes with a round neck, short sleeve, and the fabric is 100% cotton, which makes it really comfortable on the skin and perfect for summer, winter, both the seasons, because it has got everything. You can say the color is really pretty and you can style these type of t-shirts in so many different ways. I have the similar t-shirt from the same brand which I styled in Goa. You must have seen that is in yellow color and the fabric quality is really nice. So if you guys also looking for long baggy t-shirt, then you can definitely go for this one. The fabric quality is really great and I absolutely loved it. So yeah. Coming to the next thing, which is this white and purple dyed joggers, which comes with elasticated waistband, drawstring closer, 2 side pockets, cuffed hem. The fabric is cotton and this is one of my favorite products from this haul video. I absolutely love this one. Moreover, these dye joggers are so much in trend these days. You can style them in so many different ways. Like, I was never a fan of joggers, but now they are so much in trend and I absolutely love styling them. They are so comfortable for everyday looks, like if you are traveling, if you want an airport look, you want to just go and meet your friends, you can style them anywhere with everything. So that's the best part about joggers. Though this one is little see-through because of the white base, then you have to go for a tights inside, or maybe you can go for a nude color, and that will be it, I guess. And yep, that's the next one. Coming to the next jogger, which is again tie and dye jogger. Comes in peach color with the regular fit, with 2 side pockets, elasticated hem, drawstring closer, and the fabric is 100% cotton. So definitely comfortable. Totally love this one as well. This jogger is from the brand Sassafras and they have a really nice collection of joggers these days. If you don't like tie-dye, instead you can go for solid ones. So they have a really nice collection of joggers. You can definitely check out the brand if you also want something like this. And yep, that is the next one. Super duper affordable and really cute and nice, comfy. I mean, I really like these joggers. So yeah.
Now coming to the next product, which is this white solid fitted top. This is from the brand Vini Vidi Visi Vi. If you have seen that brand on Myntra. This is a high neck top with full sleeves, concealed zip closer on the back. Fabric is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. I love the fabric of this one honestly, but this is very much see-through as you can see. So you can wear these type of tops with your spaghettis, with your tank tops, or with your bralettes. I mean, they look really cool. And these type of tops you can use in winters and summer as well. They are really nice, super duper affordable, and looks really cute. So yeah, this is the next product. Next up, I bought this t-shirt, which is a black printed round neck boxy t-shirt from the brand Ether, and the size I got in this one is L because I really love these type of baggy t-shirt. I love the print of this one. The black and white combination looks really nice. This comes with the round neck, short sleeves, and the fabric is 100% cotton, so perfect for summers. And the price of this one was somewhere around 300, so I think it's totally worth the price. I love the quality of the fabric, the print, the length, sleeves, and the neckline. I mean, I really love these type of close neck t-shirts, and they go with all your bottom wears. So yeah, this is the next t-shirt. Now coming to the next product, which is this black solid sling bag. This comes with main one compartment, one external and inner pocket, and this has a short sling strap as you can see. This is a very beautiful bag. The material is also very good, very simple yet very classy, and as for the price also, this is totally worth it. So yeah, this is the next product. Now coming to the next product, which is this yellow printed crop top. This comes with the button up detailing in the front, but that is just to showcase, not to open these buttons. It has a square neck, short sleeves. The fabric is viscose rayon. This is from the brand Ginger by Lifestyle. This is available in two different shades. One is the peach or the pink color shade, and the other one is this yellow. Looks really cute. As for the price also, it's totally worth it. So overall, it's a good product. You can definitely go for this one if you love crop tops. So yeah. Next up, I got these beige striped regular fit shorts. These are from the brand Tokyo Tokis. This is a high-rise short, comes with two side pocket, button closer, and the fabric is cotton. Totally loved it. It's an amazing fabric, looks classy. You can style these type of shorts with everything, and the length is also good. So if you don't like wearing those shorts, then you can definitely go for these lengthy shorts. They look really classy, and the fabric is really great. Although the size I got in this one is 30, which is pretty loose to me because it doesn't have any zip closer or button closer. This comes with elastic waistband. So if you are my body type, then go for a smaller size, and that's it. So now all I need to do is get them altered, and after that everything will be perfect. So yeah. And now with this, coming to the last product, which is a kurta. This is from the brand Sangria. This is a pink and off-white neon geometric printed straight kurta. Comes with 3/4 sleeves, clean neckline, one side pocket, half button placket on the yoke. The fabric is 100% cotton, and I know Sangria is a really good brand. They always serve the good quality. Although the kurti is little transparent, very little, but that you can sort out with the nude inner. So overall, love the pattern, the color combination, and the kurti styling. Everything is great and totally worth the money. And yep, that's the last product. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and thank you for watching. Milte hain next video mein. Till then, bye.